Hello, everyone. I hope you are fine. Do you want to learn English and speak better? If yes, this video is for you. In this video, you will learn easy English sentences. People use these sentences in daily life. Please practice them with me. Let's begin. My name is Sam. I am a farmer. I live in a small village. And my life is quiet and simple. I wake up early every morning. I wash my face and pray. Then I go to my farm. The morning air is clean and cool. The sun comes up slowly. I feel calm and happy. Farming is my work and my life. I am not rich, but I am honest. My land is small. My work is hard. I use simple tools. I work with my hands. Sometimes I feel very tired. But I stay strong inside. I believe in hard work. I believe in waiting patiently. These ideas give me strength. Every day is not easy. Some days are good. Some days are very difficult. Sometimes there is no rain. Sometimes the crops become weak. At night, I feel worried. I think about my family. I think about food and money, but I do not stop. I sleep with hope. Hope helps me move forward. Some people laugh at me. They say farming is useless. They say city life is better. I listen, but I stay quiet. I do not argue. I work harder instead. I trust my land. I trust my effort. I tell myself, keep going. My dream is simple. I want a peaceful life. One year was very hard. The weather was too hot. My crops started to dry. I felt scared and weak. I sat alone on my land. I looked at the sky and prayed. I did not stop working. I chose hope, not fear. After many days, dark clouds came. Rain started to fall. I felt very happy. I stood in the rain. My clothes were wet. My heart felt light. The land drank the water. The crops became green again. My mood changed. Days passed. The crops grew slowly. Green color returned to my fields. I worked every day. I pulled out weeds. I checked the plants. My hands were dirty, but my heart was clean. I smiled while working. I felt proud. My hard work was working. Harvest time came at last. It was a special day. I cut the crops carefully. My family helped me. We worked together. We laughed together. The field looked beautiful. Golden crops were everywhere. Tears came to my eyes. They were happy tears. I felt successful. I went to the market. I sold my crops. This time I earned good money. People respected me. They smiled at me. I stayed humble. I remembered my hard days. Money made life easier, but patience made me strong. I helped other farmers. I shared my story. I told them, do not lose hope. I said, bad days will end. They listened to me. Helping others made me happy. It gave me peace inside. I taught my children good values. I taught them respect and honesty. I taught them patience. I told them work is important. I said, never feel ashamed of work. They felt proud of me. I felt proud of them. Family is true wealth. Love is real success. Life is still not perfect. Problems still come. But my thinking has changed. I stay calm now. I face problems with courage. I trust myself. I know bad times end. I know good days come. This belief gives me peace. I sleep well now. I am only a farmer. I wear simple clothes. I eat simple food. But my heart is rich. My work feeds people. My land gives life. This makes me proud. I do not want fame. I do not want big dreams. A simple life is enough. Many people feel lost. Many people feel weak. I want to say this. Do not give up early. Do not doubt yourself. Small steps are important. Daily effort is important. Patience is very important. Believe in your journey. Your time will come. Keep moving forward. This is my story. I am Sam, a farmer. Life taught me this lesson. Hard work does not fail. Patience brings success. Hope keeps us alive. If I can do it, you can too. Never give up on life. Thank you for listening.